Don't let your family destroy your business, and don't ever let your business destroy your family. Hello and welcome to this presentation. My name is Marvin R. Alegre. Before we start, let me first acknowledge, recognize, and thank you sa iyong time. I'm sure busy ka, but despite that, you're here to watch this presentation. And rest assured, I will do my best to bring value sa iyo in exchange sa iyong oras at presensya. So a little bit about me. Ako po ay isang certified coach, teacher, trainer, and speaker of the John Maxwell team. And together, we are developing leaders of companies in 150 countries around the globe. These businesses and thousands more are benefiting from the Maxwell methods of leadership, coaching, speaking, and training. So today's presentation is focused on something that is near and dear sa aking puso, and that is network marketing. I will share with you my ideas, my concepts, my saloobin, my insights kung bakit ito isa sa mga napakagandang avenues not only to become successful financially but most importantly to preserve, protect, and grow our family in terms of what? Respect, love, relationship, harmony, etc. So sa ating passion sa network marketing, maraming mga beses na marami tayong mga ideas, gusto tayong i-share na concepts. That's why it led us to write a book entitled Network Marketing Bulletproof System, The Insider Secrets to Building Your Influence, Creating Millions and Impact with or Without Upline. And also, just like you, meron tayong social media, gumawa tayo ng page dedicated para lang sa mga content natin sa MLM. So that's our goal, empower professional Filipino network builders and leaders across the globe. So meron tayong website, mlmpilipinas.com. So I hope by now you're a little bit convinced na tayo po ay talagang crazy sa MLM kasi ang laki ng binago nito sa aking buhay at nakatulong talaga ng super duper ang MLM business. In fact, because of MLM, we're able to purchase cars in cash and also mga investments. Hi there! At of course, nagkaroon tayo ng 50,000 downlines sa ating network marketing business. So, why I'm doing this presentation is because kung naghahanap ka ng negosyo, I'd like to give you pointers na hopefully will convince you that this is one or if not, the most ideal business na pwede mong i-start at the same time na you can enjoy yung bang flexibility na wala sa ibang negosyo, nag-i-start ka, right? Or lalo na minsan, lumaki yung negosyo mo, hindi mo alam, wala ka na palang oras sa iyong mga mahal sa buhay, sa iyong pamilya. So this is my, mantra that there's no financial success that can replace or justify the failure of the things you value the most, like family, friendships, health, important relationships, reputation, and integrity. So alagaan natin na tayo ay, habang tayo ay nagninegosyo, in the pursuit of our career, na hindi natin ito ma-compromise. So this presentation, yan po yung goal natin to help you at least be enlightened to consider MLM as one of your businesses. My personal goal is not only to protect these valuable things but to look for opportunities or mga avenues so that I can even grow, leverage, celebrate the things, the people that I love, right? And as a certified international coach, speaker, and trainer of the John Maxwell team, specializing in family business leadership, nakita ko ang opportunity na to sa MLM, and I wish and I pray na makita mo rin through this discussion na maganda, strategic and MLM. And later on, I will share with you a company na in my honest evaluation, swak dito sa ating value system. But first, to better appreciate ang MLM opportunity, let me share with you ano-ano yung mga faulty na concepts na marahil hindi talaga natin binigyan ng diin in the past. That's why lukewarm tayo sa MLM. Understandably so, pag meron tayong mga, mga duda, talagang hindi tayo all in, right? And in this business, if you're not sold out, you cannot sell product or concept effectively sa iyong magiging mga partners. And do you know that we've been building wealth wrong in our entire life? Kasi nga, most of us think wealth is built through traditional methods like mag-save, mag-invest sa real estate, or working a 9-to-5 job for decades until sa ating pag-retire. But here's the problem. Here's the question. Kung ganito ang magiging approach mo, do you think after you retire, you can live life comfortably? O di kaya most likely, magiging ganun pa rin kasi nga, sapat lang or just barely enough lang ang nakuha mo sa iyong retirement. So you have no choice. Kahit matanda ka na, and as much as you want to enjoy time with your family, you will still be forced na magtrabaho ulit. You don't want that, di ba? And here's the truth. Wealth is built through leverage. Again, wealth is built through leverage. Hindi yun sa talagang puro lang guts, puro lang effort, puro lang hustle. Sa MLM, you can leverage or maximize not only your efforts but the efforts of others. That's the beauty. And this will allow you to grow your income not incrementally, kundi exponentially. So right away, you will have that advantage compared sa iba. Na yun, talagang pahirapan and you have to wait for a long time bago ka maka-experience ng kaginhawaan. Dito, you are using one of the most powerful principles in wealth creation, which is leverage. Ang tawag dito ni Robert Kiyosaki ay OPM, or Other People's Money or Capital, or OPR, Other People's Resources. Ano yun? Time, money, energy, talent, contacts, profession, influence, experience, at talino. See? Isa sa mga talagang lodi ko is Robert Kiyosaki, and he is an advocate ng network marketing. Sabi niya dito, why I recommend network marketing? Because the network marketing industry offers many unique benefits to those who want more out of life. Ito pa, sabi niya, the network marketing industry offers a ready-made business system to anyone wanting to take control of their financial future. I would say system, that's leverage. Another, the richest people in the world, sabi niya, look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for job. And sabi niya, if I had to do it all over again rather than build an old-style type of business, I would have started building a network marketing business. You see that? So tanong, saan ba ang mas mabilis na proseso sa pag-angat sa buhay? Number 1, relying on your own resources only, or number 2, resources mo plus others' resources also. And I think you know the answer. Okay? So in MLM, you can leverage not only your efforts but the efforts of others, which will allow you to grow your income again exponentially. Why settle for incremental? Kung pwede naman exponential. That's the thing, di ba? And you don't need to wait for the next paycheck or for your investments to mature katulad ng say lupa or ng real estate. Instead, you can tap into a national or even a global network kung buong mundo ang iyong organization that works with you and for you, right? And they are highly independent. Sometimes you don't need to monitor them. Kasi nga, they have their own goals, they have their own priorities sa buhay. So happy nakita nila na ang MLM ay magandang opportunity for them na ma-accomplish ang kanilang mga goals. So the beauty is, if through you, nakita nila yung MLM, meaning na belong sila sa organization mo, you are a beneficiary ng kanilang effort. So that's again, a form of leverage. Alam mo ba, minsan, kinakailangang isakripisyo ang tuition, pang-expand ng bahay, pang-insurance, pambayad sa upa, at ipagpaliban muna ang mga important family occasions, milestones, dahil nga, need ng pera pang additional support para sa pag-grow ng iyong negosyo. O di kaya dahil need natin na may buffer tayo just in case wala tayong benta, just in case it goes wrong, dapat hindi ma-compromise yung ating negosyo, kaya meron tayo dapat na pera. Ang beauty ng MLM, ang ganda kasi sa MLM, dahil nga hindi lang yung kapital mo ang kinakailangan para lumaki ang negosyo mo, but through others, resources, you can grow your business mas madali ang iyong pag-angat sa buhay. So here's point number 1 that kailangan nating malaman. You are trading time for money, and that's the problem. Kung sa traditional business or binibase mo ang iyong success, financial success sa isang type of work or profession. So real talk, if you're working 9-to-5 job or running a traditional business, essentially you are trading your time for money. Okay, you work for 8 hours for your business or for your profession para magkapera. So you work harder, you get paid more. So syempre, kung gusto mo kumita, gusto mong umangat sa buhay, damihan mo yung oras mo na binibigay. The problem is you're limited kasi nga you're capped or controlled at how much time na pwede mong ibigay to sell. So ultimately, you're trading your most valuable asset, time. That's the problem kasi minsan meron ka ng malaking pera, malaking komisyon, malaking negosyo mo, pero naubos yung oras mo to, spend some of it sa iyong mga mahal sa buhay. Pero what if there's a way na hindi ganun ka extensive ang time requirement para kumita ka so that ma-allocate mo ang ibang oras to take good care of the things or people that you love simultaneously? If you ask me, I love that. So sa MLM, compounded ang efforts mo. You're building a system that works for you kahit tulog ka. Okay? So you don't have to be present or be awake 24/7 para kumita. Kasi nga, meron kang system dito kahit tulog ka, even if you're in a vacation, nasa important ka na event, pero you're still earning. That's the beauty. So passive income becomes a reality. Bakit? Because others are working for you and with you, and you are leveraging their results. Yun yung magic yun. So why keep working harder for less when you can work smarter and grow wealth without really spending more time at iba pang resources? Tama? Kung pwede man lang na smart ang iyong approach, bakit mo talaga ubusin yung puwersa mo at yung resources to earn? Ito, point number 2, the 9 to 5 illusion of security. Isa to sa mga bagay na dapat nating maintindihan so that we can better appreciate MLM. Halos karamihan naniniwala that a steady paycheck from a traditional job offers security. But the shocking truth is, yan ay isang malaking myth. In today's world, you are just one layoff away from losing your secure job. Tama? Kahit kaibigan mo pa yung boss, kamag-anak mo pa yung direktor. If it's time na palitan ka ng mas bata, mas mura, or time na paalisin ka because ayaw mong matransfer sa ibang lugar, ayaw mong ma-dislocate, then you're fired. It means wala kang control over your income. You have no ability to scale your wealth kasi nga dependent ka sa kanila. Wala kang tinatawag na true financial freedom. Kaya palagi ang mga empleyado stressed out. However, with MLM, you have the potential to scale your income base sa partnerships at relationships that you build sa iyong organization or network. At hindi kung ilang oras ang ginugugol mo sa opisina. So that's a huge difference. You're building something that grows with you, not at the mercy of someone else's decisions. Pabor at higit sa lahat, trip. Posible ba na pwede kang pagtripan ng iyong bossing just to prove a point na you are at their mercy? Of course, maraming mga ganyan. Number 3 na dapat nating malaman, the investment trap that you've been falling into, which is everyone tells you to invest in real estate. But they don't tell you that real estate ties you to a huge upfront cost. Hindi naman kasi yan thousands lang, that's hundreds of thousands and not millions. Right? Mortgage payments and a fixed location ng ka. And let's not even talk about how many buyers and sellers na kailangan mo to rely on before you even see any profit kung magbabuy and sell ka ng real estate. Tsaka, hindi lahat may ganyang abilidad na training. So MLM, you don't need to buy property, hire agents, or wait for market appreciation because you're investing in people, not buildings. Your assets are the relationships and trust you build, and those pay dividends for years. See? When you grow your network, you grow your income. And it's no-brainer that people miss this kasi nga, as expected, they're so focused sa mga outdated at minsan, sophisticated na investment myths. Yes, marami rin nagiging successful sa real estate at iba pang mga investments, stocks. But these things require a huge investment, hindi lang sa pera, kundi sa oras required to get good sa ganitong mga methods. Agree? Can you see now na mas maganda, mas easier ang path sa MLM business? Number 4, traditional businesses are like sinking ships. Kasi nga, let's be honest, traditional businesses have a lot of moving parts which make them fragile, and also you become vulnerable. Like, staff turnover, umalis yung mga top employees mo, overhead costs, hindi basta-basta yung renta. Sometimes you have to pay 6 months, di ba? Even wala kang income, you have to pay. You have to extend, you have to renovate. And profit margins na anytime pwede mag-fluctuate base nga sa mga external factors. So ito, maliban pa sa mga ibang mga challenges like ikaw, suddenly, you're not feeling well. Ano pa? Suddenly, may nasira doon na yung merong road widening, hindi mo naman hawak yan. But these things happen and they can affect your business big time. Kakainin ang iyong oras at pera at pasensya. And another thing is when one part breaks down, tulad ng global recession, pandemic, or a shift sa local market, the whole business suffers. So kung hindi malalim ang iyong bulsa at di mahaba ang iyong pasensya, at hindi rin ganun kayaman ang iyong connection that they can lend you money and offer you advice, katulad ko, I was, basically on my own. Nako, ang hirap, traditional business. Kumpara sa MLM, your business thrives on scalable, flexible models that are almost immune to the market fluctuations. Na talagang nagpapalubog, minsan talagang totally eradicate yung mga traditional na mga businesses. You can scale or expand your business with minimal risk, no matter what the economy looks like, and build long-term wealth with lesser effort at higit sa lahat, lesser risk. Okay, number 5, puntos. Point number 5, we've been taught the wrong way to think about wealth again. Ang realidad is wealth is not a destination. It's a process. Marami kasi sa atin, ang mindset is to work hard, save up, at magantay ng napakabang panahon so that we can see the returns. Finally, we've been taught to think about wealth as something that you earn over time. But the thing is, hindi ganyan ang paradigm ng mga mayayaman. That's not how they think and how they do it. The wealthy people do not wait for income to grow slowly. They create systems that allow money to flow almost effortlessly sa kanila, on autopilot pa. You see? Tayo, pahirap na pahirap ang buhay, padami na padami yung mga bills, pero parang gabi yung kayo natin, wala naman tayong income. Sila parang banjing-banjing lang, pero bakit ganun sila? Kayaman, because of the systems. And that's again leverage, right? So you're creating a system where your income grows exponentially based on your network and efforts. You're not waiting for years, you're making money today. And it keeps growing as you build your network. Wouldn't you agree na mas maganda itong setup na to? No? Can you see now kung gaano kaganda ang buhay mo, ang relationship mo with your family na hindi ka strained sa oras at pera, and sometimes almost unexpected may dumarating sa'yo na commission. Ang ganda nun, no? Number 6, the MLM opportunity you've missed is right in front of you for a long time. You see, why do you think traditional businesses still cling to outdated strategies? Kasi nga, mostly takot sa pagbabago or change. They don't want to embrace something that offers freedom, scalability, and no overhead costs. Iba yung mga traditional na pag-iisip, right? Ang advantage ng MLM business is it allows you to make money kahit tulog ka again, no? Nasa bakasyon, umatin ng graduation, kasalo di kaya ikaw ay may mga, inatin na ng mga okasyon. And that's not just a catchy phrase, no? It's the reality. And personally, I have experienced that. That's why gusto ko ang MLM. The real opportunity is right in front of us. Hindi lang natin na binibigyan ng pansin. And most people overlook it, because they're stuck in old thinking or mindset at mga kinagawiang approach, practices at asal. So hopefully, itong discussion to, kahit papaano, nabigay sa'yo ng konting kaliwanagan or enlightenment what's possible with this type of business. And the advantage of MLM business is you don't have to kill or condemn your current business or job or profession. This is, again, another source of income. What if you could build wealth faster, smarter, and with less risk than traditional models? That's what MLM gives you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an exciting MLM business that gives you the opportunity to build wealth, fulfillment, time freedom, and ability to grow yourself personally and professionally in ways na maraming traditional businesses cannot and will not allow you to do. Okay? And again, in consideration, if you're married, if you have a family, always sa mga bagay na precious para sa'yo. Maraming negosyo, but again, will you allow your family to be compromised? Will you allow your relationships with your loved ones be compromised? Dahil lang gusto mo magkapera at mag-expand ng iyong negosyo? If you ask me, I don't. That's why I highly recommend MLM business. I hope na earlier I was able to remind you of the things na marahil overlook natin sa MLM. That is why MLM is not really a career choice ng marami. At higit sa lahat, on why building a business, the family must not be compromised. That's the goal, right? Grow the business and family together. Itong papakita ko sa inyo ng negosyo. I joined this business kasi nga nakita ko maganda ang products. They are essential. Also, malaki ang potential ng compensation plan. Plus, most importantly, I'm confident that the team na bumubuo ng company is not only competent but visionary. Long-term sila mag-isip. At like I said, values-oriented. That's the community na meron tayo.
Rewards for affiliates, consumers, and entrepreneurs. So again, New Atomic Morning sa inyong lahat. And we'd like to present to you ang ating programa dito sa Neo Atoms. Siyempre, unang tanong natin sa mga nanonood nito ngayon is, nag-isip ka bang magsimula ng business pero hindi mo alam kung anong product or service na ibebenta? And siyempre, sunod naman dyan is gusto mong kumita ng malaki pero takot ka namang mag-risk or mamuhunan dahil first time mo itong magbi-business. Pero sabi nga nila, wala namang negosyong walang puhunan, diba? And of course, gusto mo namang magkaroon ng dream lifestyle or more time with your family and loved ones, pero hindi ka naman makataka sa iyong schedule, perhaps sa trabaho or maybe sa iyong business din or sa pag-aalaga ng mga bata or kung ano man ang iyong pinagkakaabalahan. So, maganda dito is kung ang sagot mo sa lahat ng tinanong ko ay yes or oo, maganda maging part ka ng Neo Atoms. So, you can earn exciting rewards. Unang-una, pwede kang kumita ng cash bonuses dito sa ating programa. It could be weekly, monthly, or annually ang iyong commission. And may mga bonus pang Atoms product points wherein you can exchange for choice products or even lifestyle rewards like gadgets, travel, cars, and more. And habang ginagawa mo itong ating negosyo, ay meron ka ring ranking na makukuha and mga achievements and of course, mga rewards. Okay, so paano nga ba magsimula dito? So, road to rewards natin, unang-una, you buy a package. Second, use the products. And of course, pag maganda ang effect sa'yo ng produkto, share mo naman sa iyong family, friends, and social media. And ito ang isa sa pinaka-importanting step is you learn the business or mag-training ka dito sa ating programa para magsimula ang iyong earnings. Okay? So, very excited tayo lahat na pakita sa inyo. Ito ang ating New Atoms discount packs or yung ating mga membership packages. As low as 10,990, we call it the basic package. Ang laman nito ay 11,000 to 12,000 worth of products at meron kang isang business account. Ang next naman natin ay ang community, which is 50,990 pesos. And meron siyang kasamang 60,000 up to 70,000 worth of products and 3 business accounts na pwedeng kumita ang bawat isang yan. Third package natin yung district, which is 100,990 pesos at meron itong lamang produktong 130,000 up to 140,000 worth. Ibig sabihin, namuhunan ka lang, meron ka na agad ganun kalaking tinubo. Sa 30 to 40,000 agad ang iyong tutubuin. And may kasama pa itong 7 business accounts in total. So lahat po yan ay pwedeng kumita bawat isang account. And ito naman ang ating elite, which is 200,990 pesos. Ang laman ng produkto nito ay 280,000 up to 300,000 worth of product. Meron din niyang kasamang 7 business accounts and at the same time, you are already a mobile stockist. Okay? So, paano nga ba kumita? Okay, win the race in 10 ways. So, ayan po, yung unang 4 natin makikita nyo nakalagay ay active or yung active income. Ibig sabihin, yung pagod mo or sarili mong trabaho, dun ka kumikita. Yung next naman na 4, tinatawag nating passive income, which is, ito naman yung kung nakabuo ka ng iyong team, ito naman ang kikitain ng iyong team. Okay? Ito ang kinikita mo sa iyong team, which is kahit hindi mo sariling pagod or tinutulungan mo lang sila, meron kang income. And syempre, yung mga bonus po, according to your performance and your team's performance, may mga additional rewards and bonuses po na binibigay ang ating company. So, dadaanan po natin yung mga importanteng part. Unang-una, indirect retail profit. You can get 30 to 50% lifetime discount on Neo Atoms products. Ito po yung ating price list. Pwede nyo pong picturean or you get a price list from our main office. So, paano nga ba kumita dito? Pwedeng through affiliate marketing. Paano ba siya gumagana? Bawat account po natin, meron pong kasamang dashboard. Meron pong mga links dyan ng mga products and packages that you can share. That's the step 1. Pag na-share nyo po yan at may nag-click at may nag-order po, we will deliver and you will start to earn through your dashboard, okay? Ang maganda dyan, hindi ka na namumuhunan ng mga orders kapag online po dumadaan dahil kami na po ang magdi-deliver. Yung tubo po pumapasok po sa inyong account or dashboard. And through direct selling naman, yung traditional way na ikaw mismo ang nagdi-deliver or nagpapadala sa iyong mga customers or clients. Okay? So pwede mo rin i-promote ito sa family, friends, social community, mga barangay, or yung mga sinasalihan na maybe your neighborhood or mga associations or even sa mga companies and of course sa social media din. Okay, so example lang, halimbawa ikaw ay nag-aakabenta, ginagawa mo itong sideline. Okay, so sa first 30 days mo or first month mo, nakakabenta ka ng 30 pieces of each product. Ito lang example natin sa Neo Barley. Nagbebenta ka isang piraso sa isang araw. So in 1 month, that's 30 pieces. May tubo kang 335 pesos. So meron kang kinitang 10,050. Sa NeoCure naman, meron kang 30 pieces na naibenta sa isang buwan. Tumubo ka ng 1,200 each. That's a total of 36,000 pesos. Grabe, no? Laki na agad. And dito sa ating napakasikat na NeoC, 30 pieces ang naibenta mo na sa isang buwan. Meron kang 325 pesos. Ayan po, meron kang 9,750. So this is just a sample computation. It's either nakakabenta ka ng barley lang, NeoCure lang, NeoC lang, or yung ibang produkto pong nakita nyo dito sa ating programa. So ito sa tatlong product na to, may total kang 55,800. Isipin mo na lang, sideline mo siya ginagawa or nagbebenta-benta ka lang after ng trabaho mo or before pumasok sa trabaho mo. Yan po yung iyong kikitain. Imagine if you do this full-time, mas malaki po ang potential po ng inyong kikitain. And number 2, ito naman yung ating tinatawag na direct package profit. You earn a profit for each package you sell. Okay, ibig sabihin, ang nabebenta mo, hindi retail or hindi tingi. Ang nabebenta mo ay mga discount packs din or membership packages. So, kung basic ang iyong naibenta, meron kang kikitain na 750 pesos cash plus atoms na 1,250 pesos. Okay, ito naman meron tayong tinatawag na direct package booster. Ibig sabihin may dagdag pa. Earn this from your third direct package onwards. Ibig sabihin, kung nakakuha ka ng pangatlo mong direct, may additional na po yan. Okay? So, may isa kang basic, may kinita ka 750 pesos and 1,250 atoms. Pangalawa, ganun din po. Pangatlo, same din pero may dagdag na pong 500 pesos na cash. Kuha po natin. That's from the third, fourth, fifth, hanggang po onwards na kung nakakabenta ka, may booster na pong pinatawag. Ito yung maganda. Kung malaki naman ang package na benta mo, ito nakalagay dyan sa color red na sulat natin sa bandang taas. Limit is based on your account. So, kung ikaw ay community or nakakuha ka ng community, ang kikitain mo is 4,250 pesos plus atoms po na 6,250 pesos. So, kung ikaw ay naka-community din, kung ang account mo ay basic, ang kikitain mo ay 750 pesos lang. Pero ang good news, kung papatak ito sa third package onwards na, yung booster naman walang limitation. So, makukuha mo yung 2,000 pesos kahit anong klase ng account mo. Okay? So, ito namang district, kung ikaw ay naka-district din, nakakuha ka rin ng kapwa mo district, ang iyong cash ay 8,500 pesos and ang atoms mo is 12,500 pesos and meron ka namang booster na 4,000 pesos sa third direct onwards and ang elite naman is tumataginting na 20,000 pesos cash and atoms po na 25,000 pesos plus cash booster po na 5,000 pesos. Okay? Again, your limit is based on your account. Dito po sa number 2. Sa number 3 naman, no limitations naman po. Okay? So, ito na yung isa sa exciting natin. One of our signature programs, ito mong tinatawag na Dash for Cash. You earn a bonus for every 4 direct packages sold. So, ibig sabihin, nakabenta ka ng 4 na basic, meron kang additional bonus na 5,000. Nakabenta ka ng 4 na community, may bonus kang additional 25,000 pesos. Kung additional naman na 4 na district, may additional kang 50,000 pesos at kung 4 ay 100,000 pesos. Again, this one po, nakalimit din po ang inyong income based on your account. So, ibig sabihin, kung mas mataas yung account mo, mas malaki po yung earnings mo dito sa ating Dash for Cash. Okay? So, proceed na po tayo sa pang-5 nating way to earn, which is sales match reward. Okay, ito po very exciting. Earn a bonus for a package, for package points matching on your left and right sales group. So, ito po may tinatawag na MPV or match point value. So, ibig sabihin yung basic, ayan po, may 1,000 MPV. Ang community may 4,000 MPV. Ang district may 8,000 MPV. At ang elite mayroong 10,000 MPV. So, ayan po yung inyong account. Ang example po natin ay basic ang inyong account. Okay? So, kung meron ka sa left na 1,000 MPV, which is a basic, at meron ding basic sa right, which is 1,000 MPV, mag-prepare po yan or magmamatch. Meron kang 1,000 pesos cash plus 500 atoms. Okay? Kung community naman, 4,000 MPV sa left, 4,000 MPV sa right, meron kang 4,000 cash plus 2,000 atoms. And kung district naman, meron kang 8,000 MPV sa left, 8,000 MPV sa right, meron kang kikitain ng 8,000 pesos cash and 4,000 atoms. And itong elite natin, which is 10,000 MPV, meron ka rin sa left at sa right. Pag nag-match, meron kang 10,000 pesos cash and 5,000 atoms. So, ang maganda naman dito is kahit ano yung account mo, kahit basic yan, hindi po limited. Kikitain mo yung dapat mong kitain. Okay, so pero may mga nagtatanong, can different packages match with each other? Ibig sabihin, paano kung ang pumasok sa kaliwa i-basic at sa kanan ay community? Ang sagot ay yes. Okay, pwede po mag-match yan. 1,000 MPV sa left, 4,000 MPV sa right. Magkano kikitain? 1,000 pesos cash and 500 atoms. And ano po mangyayari? Mababawas yung sa payout and meron kang waiting na 3,000 MPV. Kahit may pumasok na another basic sa kabila, magpe-pair po yan and meron kang another 1,000 cash and 500 atoms. Okay, so may natira namang 2,000 sa'yo. So just in case naman sa kaliwa ang pumasok ay elite, that's 10,000 MPV. Ang waiting mo na lang ay 2,000 MPV. Ima-match niya yung pinakamaliit po, which is 2,000 cash and 1,000 atoms. Sa kabila naman napunta ang iyong waiting, which is 8,000 MPV. And example na lang, may pumasok another district, which is 8,000 MPV. Magmamatch po yun. 8,000 pesos cash and 4,000 atoms. Kuha po natin. And another question ng iba is, what is the potential maximum income? Sa basic po is 4,000 pesos per day na cash plus 7,000 per day din na atoms. So in a month, that's a total of 420,000 cash and 210,000 atoms. Ito naman sa community, 20,000 cash per day. Okay, plus 2 basic na kinikita ng 14,000 sa tuktok. Okay, and 10,000 per day na atoms. Sa isang buwan, that's a total of 600,000 cash plus yung sabihin mo ng dalawang 420,000 pa because you have that free or extension account and meron pang 300,000 na atoms. Ito naman ang ating 30,000 per day sa district plus 6 po na basic. Tandaan nyo po, mayroon pong 6 na free extension accounts yan. Plus 15,000 per day na atoms. So in a month, that's 900,000 and plus 6 na basic, which is 420,000 times 6. Imagine nyo po gano'ng kalaki yun. Plus 450,000 na atoms. And an elite naman is a maximum of 50,000 per day plus 6 na basic. That's 14,000 times 6 plus 25,000 per day na atoms. And in a month, ayan po, 1.5 million. And 6 po na 420,000 plus meron ka pang 750,000 na atoms. Okay? So, maganda dyan, okay, meron po tayong strong leg retention. Pag po lumagpas sa inyong maximum, okay, ang matatapon lang po ay yung nag-excess within that day, pero po yung mga waiting po ay andyan pa rin po. Okay, yung strong leg niyan, ibig sabihin yung pinaka-line mo, left or right, kung saan mas marami, nare-retain po yung inyong waiting MPV or match point values. Okay, so isa pa, no fifth pair deduction. So ano po yung fifth pair? Sa mga po sanay na po or naka-encounter na ng similar compensation plan, ang fifth pair po, sa iba po nababawasan. Sa atin po, in short, wala po tayong binabawas na fifth pair. And ay bonus pa yan, yung pang-anim natin na way to earn, yung leadership match reward. You earn 10% from your direct sales match cash bonuses. So, ibig sabihin, isipin nyo po yung monthly na nakikita nyo dyan. Kinikita rin ng inyong mga direct po na naipasok dito. May 10% ka rin po additional nakikitain sa kanila. Okay? So, ito naman ang pang-pito natin. Okay? Ito naman yung kikitain mo kapag nag-order or nagre-reorder na ang team mo ng mga produkto. So ito po ay di-discuss natin sa mga new members. Once na nandito na po sila, may training po tayo on how to maximize itong earnings po sa ating Team Retail Royalty. Okay? Umaabot po yan ng 15 levels with dynamic compression. Napakaganda po nitong programa na to, itong number 7. Ito po ay pang long term na habang bumipili po sila ng produkto, which is our goal is maglabas po ng maraming products, and nagugulat ka na lang every morning pagising mo, nagkakape lang sila, may kita ka doon. Nagsabon lang sila ng mukha nila, may kita ka doon. Nag-take sila ng vitamins nila, may kikitain ka po doon. So this will earn actually hindi lang thousands, but it can earn up to a million. Actually, not a million, but it can earn millions po through this Team Retail Royalty. And ito po yung last na ipapakita ko muna sa inyo. Up to 8 lang tayo. Yung 9 and 10, it will be also discussed sa ating po mga trainings na po sa mga new members. So, number 8 po is Infinity Package Royalty. Ang ibig sabihin ng Infinity is walang katapusan. So, ang rules po niyan ay nakasulat, earn from the first and second directs. Under your third direct and onward. So medyo nakakalito sa iba siguro, pero para daling maintindihan, and po yung ating diagram. So first direct, second direct, yung pangatlo po magkakaroon sila ng 1 and 2. Kung basic po yun, pero kang 500. Marami po akong kinita kanina, may additional pa akong kikitain. Yes, may 500 pesos. May nakuha siyang number 2, may 500 ulit yan. Okay? Ito maganda. Yung number 1, may nakuha ring 1 and 2. May 500 each ka doon. Hindi po kailangan mag-pair ito po. Kada may pumapasok. Kaya tulad si number 2, may nakuha ang number 1. May 500 ka ulit doon. Hanggang sa ilalim po, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 lang. Tandaan nyo, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 lang underneath 3. Okay? Yung 3 and 4 na po sa ilalim na to, hindi na po counted yan. Okay? Sobra-sobra na po yan. And ayan po, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So yung malalaking package, meron din pong ganito. Yes. So kahit po basic lang ang account mo, kikitain mo ito, wala pong limit naman dito sa Infinity Package Royalty. So may pumasok na community sa pang-apat mo, counted po yan kasi ang ibig sabihin hindi lang kay third direct, onwards na po, number 4, number 5, number 6, yung mga 1 and 2, 1 and 2 sa ilalim po nun, meron ka nang kikitain. Ayan po, 2,000, 4,000 naman sa district, sa elite naman 5,000 doon. Kahit marami pong pumasok sa ilalim mo, nagugulat ka na lang, pumapasok po sa inyong dashboard income. Up to infinity po yan, walang katapusan pong income. Okay? So, ayun po lahat ng ating ways to earn aside po dun sa number 9 and 10 which we discussed sa mga new members na po natin na training. And just a quick recap. Kung ano po, kung wala po kayo matandaan dun sa mga sinabi ko pero na-excite po kayo dahil palaki po ang pwedeng kitain. Ito lang po. Okay? Pay attention po tayo dito. Ito po yung pinakasimpleng way para maintindihan siya. Nakapokus po ito sa basic package kung sakaling ito po ang inyong tinitignan. Number 2 po tayo mag-start, indirect package profit. Kumita ka ng 750 pesos cash, 1,250 atoms. Pangalawang direct, ganun din po. Pangatlong direct, ganun din. Pero may booster ka na sa pangatlo, di ba? Yun ang sabi natin, sa pangatlo, sa third onwards, may booster na. May 500 ka na dyan. And then pang-apat, may 750 ulit na cash, plus 1,250 atoms, may booster ka na naman. And papasok na po yung inyong dash for cash, yung bonus mo kada apat. Unlimited po yan, may 5,000 pesos kang cash. Pero ano tong 5,000 atoms? Kapag within the first 30 days, pagkasali mo pa lang, pagka-register mo, and may nakaapat ka na agad, may bonus ka pang additional 5,000 atoms. Ilang beses mo pwedeng ulit-ulitin to? Kahit ilang beses po, kada apat meron pong nakukuha hanggang to. Pag lumagpas po ng 30 days, dire-diretso pa rin po siya. Pero 5,000 cash na lang po yun. Okay? And pang-apat, dahil nga na-discuss natin yung sales match reward, yung left and right, meron na pong agad nag-pair dyan. Ito pong una, may 1,000 kang cash plus 500 atoms. Yung pangalawa na naman, at yung ito pangatlo at pang-apat, nag-match din sila, may 1,000. So ito po yung gusto ko lang makita ninyo, okay? Na napakasimple. Hindi nyo kailangan galingan o matandaan lahat ng sinabi ko agad. Ito lang po, makakuha ka ng 4, ito po ang iyong kikitain. A total of 11,000 cash agad po, plus 11,000 atoms na kung maibebenta mo is which is sellable po ang mga products natin, good as cash na rin po yan. That's a total of 22,000 plus yung products ng sarili mong package, that's around 11,000 to 12,000 po. A total of 33,000 value agad ang hawak mo na kinita sa unang 4 mo pa lang na naipasok dito sa ating win the race ng Neo Atoms. Very exciting po, di ba? And natatandaan nyo po yung sales match reward. Kung 4 na yan, yung kanina is 11,000 ang kinita mo na cash at atom sa sarili mong pagod. Ito naman yung passive. Kung sila naman ang kumuha ng 4, tiga-4, meron kang 8 sa kaliwa, may 8 sa kanan, nag-match po yun, 8,000 pesos. Ang dali lang pong kwentahin. Okay? Ayan din po, nag-times 4 lang, nag-times 4, naka-5 buwan ka, nagsagad ka po sa 420,000 na maximum per month and 210,000 na atoms. Ang kikita mo na agad 590,000 pesos cash and may atoms ka pang 295,000. That's almost 1 million na po agad in value in just 5 months. And ito po, syempre pinapakita natin kung ganun, depende po sa inyong sipag. Pwede po mas tumagal po ito, depende kung hindi ka naman nag-active or babagal po yung inyong pagbibenta ng products and packages. Pero pwede rin bumilis. Paano kung per week mo naman ginagawa yan? Imagine mo na lang po yun, no? Again, nakalagay po yung note dyan, earnings vary depending on your package, account, and or rank. This is not a guaranteed projection. And kung tuloy-tuloy naman yung maximum mo for the next 7 months pa, so ibig sabihin total of 12 months na since nagsimula ka, a total of 3.5 million, and that's cash and 1.7 atoms. Ayan po ang total nyo, and additional pa yung makinikita mo dun sa iyong mga directs po. Okay? So, yan po yung sa basic, and yung iba naman, para lang for the sake sa mga nakatingin po sa mas malalaking account, kung community po at nakakuha ka rin na 4 na community, ito po ang income. Okay? 62,000 cash and 58,000 atoms plus yung products mo pag sarili, sabihin mo lang 60,000 yun, that's around 180,000 na bumalik sa'yo agad kung community rin yung account mo. Kung district naman at nakakuha ka again ng 4 din na district, okay? District ka at meron kang 4 na district, ito naman nakikitain mo, yan kung nasa color black, 124,000 cash and 116,000 atoms plus yung produkto mo pa. And finally sa elite, 200,990, nakakuha ka rin ng 4 din na elite sa ilalim mo. Ayan naman yung bumalik agad, 230,000 cash and 220,000 na atoms plus yung produkto mo pang almost 300,000. Imagine mo, computein mo na lang, i-add mo lahat yan. And kung gusto mo rin makita, paano po yung nangyari in the first 5 months, kagaya po sa basic, kumita ng 590,000 cash and 295,000 atoms. At sa isang taon, 3.5 million cash plus yung atoms pa niya. Ano po kaya ang kikitain ng community? Ito po, 1.3 million. Sabihin mo na sa first 5 months na scenario natin, and 5.5 million naman na cash plus yung atoms pa kung 1 year. Ito naman sa district, di ba po? Ayan po, nakikita nyo 2.2 million in 5 months or 8.5 in 12 months and 3.4 naman sa ating elite and 14 million in 12 months po. Hindi ko po kinount dyan yung mga kulay gray po, yung mga basic accounts na additional accounts niya na pwede rin pong kumita individually. Okay? So, ayan po ang ating Neo Atoms program. Tinatawag natin your vehicle to success. And ang kulang na lang is you choose your package and start now. Ito po ang ating mga packages. Pwede mong picturean or pagpilian. Meron po tayong 10 combinations na pwede mong kung anong bagay sa iyo. Ayan po yung ating cell renewal protocol. That's good for 30 days. Pang sarili mo lang gagamit yan? Yes, pwede. Okay, good na yan. Meron kang 8 pouches ng ating Neo Barley, which is 7 sachets each. That's good for 28 days. So that's almost a month. At meron ka namang Neo C. Take mo na naman ng 3 times a day, 3 capsules a day. So that's also good for 1 month. At itong ating Neo Pure Stem Cell, 2 capsules a day. Sabihin mo na meron kang 2 bottles, that's good for 1 month din. Okay, yan po yung other products and combinations natin. Sa community pack, ito naman po, sulit na sulit po yung ating 5+1 kasi 50,990 lang. Ang produkto mo nakuha, 72,660. Yan po yung nasa pinakakaliwa. Okay? And yung district, ayan naman po, naka 10+2 kung titignan mo sa value niya. Okay, 100,990. Ang nakuha mo, 145,320 pesos. And sa elite naman, ito naman po ang ating 200,990. Ang nakuha mong products, kung pipiliin mo yung nasa kaliwa, 314,860. Sulit na sulit. Diyan pa lang po, negosyo na may tubo ka na agad. Okay? So again, ito yung comparison. Picturean nyo na lang kung gusto nyo pag-aralan. Pero at the end of the day, ang importante is we will all win the race. Okay, so sa lahat na nakapanood nito, ito pong napanood nyo is the complete presentation of our compensation plan. Panuorin niyo po yung ating version din ng quick presentation na mas madali po maintindihan kung nahahabaan kayo dito. Kaya po sa lahat ng nanood dito, we're very excited to have you on board because Neo Atoms, your vehicle to success is Garrett. Thank you.
Good job on finishing the presentation. Alam mo, hindi lahat-lahat tulad mo na merong patience, merong desire, merong willingness na tapusin ang isang presentation. So it goes to show, para sa akin, that you are the person committed in changing your financial trajectory for the better. And rest assured, we're here to help you accomplish that. Now, can you name at least 3 things na para sa'yo nagustuhan mo na feature sa ating rewards program? Is it the flexible package? Is it the feature na walang flash out, strong retention? Is it the 5th pair? Or the unilevel rewards? What is it? Para sa akin, ang top 3 picks ko ay yung number 8, which is you can earn rewards from 3rd Direct onwards to infinity sa kanilang binibiling package. Guys, ang laki niyan. At sa ibang company, walang ganyan. So, dito nakikita mo na ang company is giving this reward is because ang ganda ng kanilang projection. Hindi sila malulugi at computed din nila na itong mga bagay na to, pag binigay sa ating mga distributors, will even inspire them to promote and grow their network. Hindi sila stingy. In fact, kung you've been to other businesses, walang ganito. That's my number 1 pick. Number 2 pick is yung dash for cash. When you are in this business, the only way to grow fast is to look for partners. It's expected. It's a natural thing na ginagawa sa ganitong negosyo na to look for partners. But, again, to motivate us to build our organization in every 4 per 30-day cycle, meron ka pang additional incentives. At siyempre, the higher the package, the higher the incentive. Isn't that amazing, huh? And last but not the least, ito yung Unilevel program or Team Royalty or Team Retail Royalty up to 15th level. Ang lalim ng level na to at ang laki na potential. If you understand this, iba ang enthusiasm mo to build this business because ito ang tunay na proteksyon. Ito ang tunay na leverage. When the time comes na medyo shaky yung ating financial situation. Why? Kasi di tayo titigil bibili ng ating mga essential needs sa bahay, right? So if there's a way that gumagamit ka, kumikita ka, why not? And as long as you and your group consume byproducts sa ating company, wala kang choice but to earn royalty income. So talk about income na pwedeng i-enjoy ng iyong family. If something happens, ito yun. So ito ang tinatawag na passive income. So kunin mo na ang lahat ng income opportunity sa negosyo na to, but for me, wag lang ang Unilevel. Ang secret talaga ng MLM is in the repeat purchase. Hindi yun sa palakihan ng papasok kung ilang account or ilang yung investment, but the repeat order. So if I can be paid multiple times, much better rather than one time big time. So that's the beauty of Unilevel. So we want to earn not just once, but for as long as we could para magkaroon tayo ng financial muscle, right? Financial safety, and also the opportunity to grow our family and develop iba pang mga supportive businesses in the process. Why? Because pag healthy ang yung business, ML business for instance, you can develop other businesses on the side which will complement your existing business or businesses. So that's the goal. Common na nangyayari is habang lumalaki ang kita, especially sa traditional businesses, at naisipan ng mayari to expand other businesses, kinakain nito ang oras at presensya na needed ng kanyang pamilya. In the end, posibleng mawasak nito ang kanyang negosyo at pamilya. So, you end up with nothing because you cannot compromise your family at the expense of your business and vice versa. See? That's why my battle cry is, don't let your family destroy your business if ever. Let your business destroy your family. So you've just discovered one opportunity that will allow you to simultaneously develop your family and develop your business. Isn't that great? So here's what you should do next. Listen very well. Ito yun ang pinaka-importante na information sa lahat because we know information is good but without action, wala itong kwenta lahat. So if ipinasa to sa'yo ng member ng aming team, kindly contact them and arrange with them how to get started immediately. If ang information na to or material na to, you got this through me and would like to take advantage of our coaching, resources, exclusive access and bonuses, message me directly. I would be more than willing to work with you and share with you paano gawin to ng mas mabilis. And also collaborate with you. And I'm a believer that hindi monopolize ng isa ang pagpapalaki ng negosyo in terms of ideas and strategies. So that's why I would love to talk with you and we will collaborate. We're not here to compete. We are here to complete, right, each other. That's the purpose of this business. That's the essence of multi-level marketing in the first place. It's collaboration, it's about leverage, it's about using, reusing, repurposing, and tapping all available resources. So thank you very much. I have enjoyed this presentation and hope to hear from you ASAP. Again, as a parting message, remember this: don't let your family destroy your business, don't let your business destroy your family. See ya!